Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JSON Server fake REST API. So today we are going to learn about the generate random data. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first we are going to create any of the file module.export. So I'm using this any of the file server.json, or you can create test.js, any file. Okay, so here I'm going to go with the server.js file. I'm going to just do the comment section over here, edit my code, module export. Okay, and this is server.js file, so I want to create the users. Okay, and push the data with like this. So if I go and just run this part. Okay, so here we have the server.js file, node server.js, and let's see what happened. So here we have a db.json file. Is it not working or what? Server.js, or you can directly add this like this. Okay, const data users, or here I think we should go with this one, db.json. If I go and just make a new this thing, right, this part. So currently we have to go with like this, and we have to go with users. See. Okay, so here we have a Node.js server. The data is not integrated fully. Let me check with the JSON server part. Okay, so here we have there is middle where the part is. Use JS instead of a JSON file module export. JSON like this we have to add JSON server. Okay, I just missed this one. I need to add like this, or we will use the module export, the same one. Control Y, save this and try to run this one. JSON server node server.js, right? So let's add the server.js file and done. New route is users. So you can see that here also we have the db.json. Okay, it has created. I think the new route is user.js file. Let's try to open it. And here you can see that the user id is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. All the data is there, but it is not stored in the that file. Okay, but the endpoint and everything is coming over here. Okay, so this is how you can generate the random data, right? So okay, so how to generate that? You can generate this random data and you can manipulate it accordingly. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Currently I'm using the users data. You can also use the post part also. If I go to add the post one, id and the name should be like post. Okay, title one. Save this and just copy this one and add it over the server.js file where it is. Okay, save this part and run this one also. Okay, so cannot read the reading the push JSON server. So it's currently the we have the currently it's users. So I need to just go and add it over the post also. Okay, so I think it should be posts. Let's try to run this. Here is there's a mistake. So it's not users, it's gonna be the posts. Okay, save this and try to run this one. Okay, so new post request will be coming up. Copy the link and try to run it over here. Okay, so send it. Post title 0, post title 1, 2. So this is how we are able to generate the full-fledged fake REST data. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.